And we'll sync Freud's in a moment here.
I can refresh Blessing because it's 50 attack and 10 buffs. If you want.
Whatever.
It's no
It's
problem.
fine.
Oh, Black Witch.
Wait, where's Moon?
Give me 1 sec. I will leave you my sorry.
Oh, sure. Oh, and then I made you party leader, Dean.
Gotcha.
Okay, I'm ready.
Alright, ready to sync up? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Freud's 1. Might as well just fame now, before we forget.
Yeah, we have plenty of time.
Yeah, and then thank you for Ursus.
Skills.
You can pop guild skills in a bit here.
No, that'll shoot clear.
Actually, our runs
3
are
minutes.
our runs are pretty fast. Yeah.
We have time. It's fine.
Yeah. Alright, get ready for stack 2. Right there. Both Kanas, make sure your bubbles are off.
I can't fame Spencer if somebody else can chair.
Oh, can't be me. Dane, could you chair then?
Hello?
On the right.
Would you like to activate the skill, please?
Or 0, yeah, take your
I
pick.
got it.
Alright, stack 3. Go
You
ahead
get
and pop your skills.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, that took forever.
Oh, I need to go fast.
Oh no! Moon, go! You got 10 seconds, I'll wait.
Got what? He has what?
Yes, before Freud expires.
Shoot, come on, hold on. Stall it out.
Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm doing what I can. 4, 3, 2. Alright, well, I had the stacks 4.
Yeah, no worries, you can stack it.
Yeah, I'll bait on entry then.
I think I might still have it when I come back and see. I'm trying to pop it. Oh, I didn't get it off. Oh well, that's okay.
Yeah. Pop your guild skills you haven't already, your use items, your decents. I'm about to do stack 5. And then on stack 5, go ahead and start charging domain. Alright, stack 5, start charging domain please, Dean, and we'll go in whenever you are ready with that.
Pop an apple if you're gonna.
Y'all echoed? Here, I'll echo.
Yeah, you got it.
Going?
Alright, I'll bait it over. Everybody move right. And stack 6. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hello? 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 Not yet, not yet, not yet. Not yet, not yet. Come on. Ready, 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 ready.
Oh,
He's diving, careful. And burst. Alright, nice. P2, remember we don't have a bishop, so play as needed.
I'm trying.
Yeah, if you want.
A pop will if you haven't already. Or sorry, I mean like arachnid.
Yeah.
Like Spikes, careful.
30 seconds.
Falling and rolling should be happening soon. Falling.
15 seconds.
Use your iframes if you need to. Spikes.
One more space.
5 seconds.
Rolling is incoming, rolling is incoming. I'm watching.
That's not it. After that one.
Middle.
Middle.
You can pop advanced ones.
Spikes, careful.
Spike.
We're doing pretty good. Don't rush. Just play as however safe you need to be.
Yeah, what the weird is with
You should probably charge it on main if you have to. It looks like it's about to phase. 30 seconds.
I don't have it up yet.
Oh, that's
Almost.
Spikes.
Oh,
Oh shit.
Ooh, unlucky. Don't worry.
Alright, I'm gonna charge it right here.
Alright, in the middle.
15 seconds, you can phase.
Rolling.
There, Roland's in.
10 seconds.
Spikes, watch out
Phase
spikes
it.
first. Watch out spikes first.
We're out.
Alright, we're out.
Alright, right side, just in case.
Just in case.
Wait, domain's in middle.
Oh.
Doom.
Oh well. Duck on entry and then we're gonna DPS until first FMA.
And then
Okay.
first FMA is gonna be burst again.
yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. Rollings first. Use your blink tech.
Whoever I'm watching does not have their familiar out.
Ah,
Dane.
shit. Thank you.
Wait for him to push.
He thought the run was going too easy. He needed to handicap himself.
Push.
We're gonna have to respect the push. He hasn't pushed yet. Watch out.
Man, where are you going? We're all over here.
Falling.
30 seconds.
Okay, we're good. Rollings incoming. Oh, what am I doing? Careful.
15 seconds.
I'm scouting.
Big
Oh, we have
right.
big right. We have big right.
5 seconds.
Push the right. We're boosting at this.
Yep. Push.
I'm sorry.
Up.
Jump on me.
Make sure you jump if you need it.
Oh.
Careful for the falling incoming.
Target.
For push.
Wait for rollings first. Rollings first.
First now.
Yep, go for it. Where's your kick? Fallings.
20 seconds.
First shrink. Rollings.
10 seconds. Someone should scout.
I'm scouting. Big left. Big left. I'll hold if needed.
FMA.
Up.
Oh,
Oh, you lost your door.
yeah, I lost the world.
Your Nightwalker door.
I didn't realize I didn't
Uh,
blink up yet.
If you want to DPS, go for it. Otherwise, play however you feel, I suppose. We're doing pretty good, I guess.
Tuck.
Yeah, we're doing very well.
Rollings.
I don't know what's supposed to break.
Big right.
Push. Tuck.
Fallings.
Push.
15 seconds.
Why you
We
guys
have
gotta
big
make
right.
me look bad?
We have big right.
Yeah.
Rollings.
Push.
5 seconds.
Supers.
No burst yet.
Up.
We burst on this one or no?
No, no
the
burst
next
yet.
one.
Yeah, but
Yeah. We go up 3 minutes.
push.
Big right. We have big right already.
Push. Push.
Rollings.
Push.
Incoming left here. Oh no! E4 I didn't.
Oh no.
Remember, we have big right, big right.
20 seconds.
Yeah, only big right.
Next one first.
Yes.
Yes.
10 seconds.
You want me to charge on this one, Rinda, or are you doing it?
Rollings first, rollings first.
You can charge, you can charge.
FMA.
And down.
Well, it just came. We can burst now.
Yep, rollings just happened. Wait for the kick first.
Push.
Kick, where are you?
Fuck.
Kick, where are you? There it is.
Bullshit.
You charged.
Good. Flash shrink, stay on him. Falling.
Good.
Rollings also. Stuck.
Oh my
Don't
god.
worry. I'm gonna scout.
15 seconds.
Nothing on left yet, nothing on left yet.
Good.
Only smalls on left.
It's a couple small.
5 seconds.
Only small lefts.
Good.
Falling. Falling incoming.
FMA.
Up, up, up.
Up.
My
Oops. Yeah, and don't hesitate to use left side to just recover. Rollings.
Big right.
Up. Right.
Suck.
Suck.
My god.
Holy fuck, that almost got me.
Thirty seconds.
We're good for the moment. Supers, careful. He hasn't kicked yet.
We have
Rollings.
big right. Big right.
15.
Rollings. Careful. Big left. Big left.
And
We have big left. Down.
Oh, down.
And rollings, careful. Or sorry, falling. Alright, don't greed for damage, just play however safe you need. Don't force the phase.
Jeez.
Rollings. Big right, we have big right.
Oh, sorry.
Twenty seconds.
Scouting. Falling. We have big left.
15 seconds. Someone should charge after the next FMA.
Yeah, sounds good.
Should go into people.
Big left, or rollings first.
5 seconds.
We have rolling if needed.
Go.
Ready to jump.
Down.
Shit.
Yeah, me and Dane play
You
slow.
don't really full burst if you don't want.
Do you have your domain, or do you need to charge, Rinda?
You charge.
Okay.
Stuck.
I don't have it.
Big left. Don't need it. Charge, boys.
And we're out. Careful. Alright.
Alright.
You guys should have domain.
I
Make
have
sure
it,
you're
I
in
have
Black
it.
Aura.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, make sure you're
First, if you can, you guys all have domain.
Cool.
Thanks for helping us, Spencer.
Okay. Fuck you, David.
Oh, yeah, 1/3's already gone. Nice. Remember to use will to break the slope. So I don't know if you're still watching Spencer, but this is the P4 blaster experience.
He tanks everything. Oh wait, I'm a bishop. Never mind. Can't relate.
Blaster is more ridiculous than Bishop. It's hilarious.
Oh, almost died.
Gotta be quicker than that.
Can you die challenge in P4?
I think you might have triggered. Oh wait, I didn't take for you.
I succeeded the challenge.
Oh, you
Almost died.
If you do die though, don't worry about rezzing right away.
I mean, it doesn't matter. I'm fine on lives.
Oh, I mean me and Dane. Actually, no, Dane kind of just lives forever.
Yeah, right after that, I double popped Last Resort and then instantly got a barrage.
Oh wait, you take extra magic damage as well? I thought it was just like physical.
Oh, it's just extra damage.
Oh dang.
And then soon Bishop gets to experience that, kind of.
Alright, I guess we could just kill him on the next burst here. And then, who has the highest drop? And we'll be breaking the box, I guess.
Probably you.
Definitely not me. I don't min-max my drop gear or anything. But I'm at, I guess 320
Yeah, I'm
with the
at like
familiar.
120.
With the familiar.
I like 320 as well.
200 for
FMA.
drop plus a large drop fan, FMA. And then after this should be burst.
Ah,
Yeah. Dang.
Wait a second, did Dane die? Shh, don't tell anybody.
Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Alright, a lot smoother than I had
Very good,
anticipated.
yeah.
That's good, yeah.
Easy run.
Thank you very much for helping us time, Spencer, and Doring,
No
and,
worries.
and
Good luck.
Cherrigan,
Good luck.
and everything.
Give me that badge.
And thanks for joining us,
Mm-hmm.
Hero, at such a last-minute time.
Thanks to you. Yeah, Spencer didn't run with me. So.
Wait, this isn't your first clear, right?
No.
Or is it? Okay.
No, this is the what? One
Are
more.
you on V
I need
Hill
one
now?
more.
oh,
Yeah.
same.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna ignore it.
We'll liberate together next month.
Oh yeah, you're on par with most of the party then.
Break
Alright,
it,
good
Mike.
luck, Moon. Good luck.
Thank you, thank you.
I don't see it.
Nope.
Any items, though? Any arcane gear, though?
Yeah, any...
Where's my pet?
Because I don't.
Where's my pet loot off?
Make sure you loot your remnant.
Yeah.
yeah. One more month, boys. Maybe 2, I guess.
Well, 2 for Seth.
Oh
Yeah.
my
Yeah.
god.
Dane and I
got
will
a
be staying, and
boss
then
crystal.
it'll be nice. Oh, nice. Okay. Well, thank you very much again, Spencer, and thank you for joining us, Zero. We'll be,
See you guys in a
well,
month.
yeah, we'll pretty much be seeing each other in a month.